welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how to make meatballs from scratch, meaning that you use the beef and you cut it up or you grind it up yourself and you make your own meatballs. I make my own meatballs because we don't eat any pork, and most of the meatballs in the store has pork in it. It is very difficult to find meatballs that are beef, just pure beef. So the solution is to make our own, and so that's what I do. I do have a machine that I have two machines actually. The one that you stick on the counter and you grind it, it does a fantastic job. But I had a small amount, so I just use my hands to chop it, and I make my own meatballs, and it's so tasty and it's so delicious. So this is my meatballs. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it's a lot because we don't eat a lot of meat, so that's just good enough for one meal. So that's perfect. I made some hamburgers and I have them in the freezer, and that's gonna be one meal, and then this is gonna be one meal. What we do is we wait until the meat go on sale, and once the meat go on sale, like $4.99 a pound to $3.99 a pound, then we tend to buy a lot of meat. Then we make meatballs, and then we make hamburger meat. So that works out really well, and it's economical. Plus we have real beef burgers and beef meatballs, so that really works for us. So let me know, do you make your own meatballs from scratch like me, or do you just buy in the store? And another thing is, in the store it's much more expensive. Like I bought this meat for like $13, and I was able to make these meatballs, and I could cook twice with these meatballs. And the other hamburgers that I made about 7 hamburgers, and if I had bought the 7 hamburgers, it was gonna be $22 a packet for 6 hamburgers in the packet. And if I was gonna buy the meatballs were $15.99. So you see, and I only spent $13, and I got both meatballs and hamburgers. So it's much cheaper. Wait until the meat go on sale, grind your own, make your own hamburgers and meatballs. Let me show you what I had left, because I made some for my daughter.
Mom, I like to cut the right.
So this is my hamburger meat that I have here, the rest. So you see, I have 4 left. I have 4 patties left, and they're good size. See, I got 4 patties left. I usually wrap them in this paper before I freeze them. And I made, yes, I got 7 here. I made 7 of this, and this for $13. So see, much cheaper. Anyways, guys, let's make this. Let me show you how I made this from scratch. Let's do it.
How it sways in the sun, keeping our stories in its motion, lies the truth about us. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. To know it all. long before. They're keeping our stories, and when we're older, they will still stand tall. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. To know it all.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough for That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone
So, okay, my friends, I packed up my meatballs. I have this nice little bag of meatballs, and so that's gonna be our dinner for next week. My kids love meatballs. I'm gonna have to look to see when the meat come on sale again. I'm gonna make a whole bunch. But guys, that's the video for today. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys see the whole process of how I made it. It wasn't hard. It was very simple, very easy, but at least you know what's in your meatballs, and you made it yourself from scratch, and you know all the ingredients that is inside of it, and you're quite sure that it is beef and nothing else, or not all kind of something that you don't know what's inside of it. Okay, so thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Remember to like the video, stay positive, mwah, mwah, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao, my loves.